Welcome to Shadow Work Saturday. We'll explore the hidden parts of ourselves so we can understand and love ourselves completely. Did you know there are parts of you that you hide? Sometimes even from yourself. That's your shadow. Shadow work is getting to know those hidden parts, your insecurities, fears, habits, and stories you don't want to admit or remember. It's not bad. It's like a cabinet you never open, full of clutter and memories. Even if you ignore it, it still affects your life. When you face your shadow, you start to understand your triggers, your reactions, and you can finally break free from repetitive, harmful habits. Shadow work isn't about fixing yourself. It's about knowing yourself fully. The more you face your shadows, the more you step into your light. This is Shadow Work Saturday. See you next week.